Hello all and welcome back to another mini brands opening video. Today however is a little different to my previous mini brands capsule openings, as today we're looking at the mini brand mini capsules that will then fit into the mini brands fridge that we have looked at previously. In this pack we got 2 capsules, so let's hope we make a great start on filling the fridge and we don't get too many duplicates. I'm glad to see they haven't made these capsules any easier to open than my usual mini brands home ones. In each of the capsules we also will be getting a tiny fridge magnet to stick on the front. Our first one is some sort of hot dog I think, or sub sandwich. I'm not sure what the green stuff would be if it were a hot dog. In the capsule we get 6 bags. Now as far as I know, 3 of them are branded items and 3 are generic fridge goods. However, I don't know if it's the turquoise or the yellow ones until I open them. We'll start with the turquoise bags. These must be the generic items, as we have an unbranded turmeric shot drink. The second item is this jar of kombucha. The item has a rubberized feel to it. Hopefully it won't slide around in the fridge. I like the fluted cloth effect of the lid, just a shame it doesn't open up though. Our third item is an unusual one, a cooked lobster in a bag. It looks a little like a facehugger from Alien, but it's definitely something unique. If I get a duplicate of the lobster at any point, I think I'll remove the second one from the bag to use as part of a centerpiece. Now on to what should be our branded items. Even from this small sliver, I could already tell it's something from Pizza Hut. I wonder what pizza toppings it's going to have. Ah, a plain margarita, which sometimes is the best type to eat, but a little boring for an ornamental pizza. Perhaps I can make some tiny toppings from polymer clay and glue them on. I could even try a half and half pizza. It looks a little like Pac-Man. Our second branded item is pancakes from IHOP, which are contained in a plastic box for easy transportation. At least the lid opens up and you can remove the pancakes for display. final item is another pizza. Will there be a duplicate in the same pack? Luckily no, we have ham and pineapple toppings for this one. It definitely makes it look more interesting than the margarita one. Now on to our second capsule. One day I swear I'll get good at opening these. We once again have our 6 bags and tiny magnet. This time the magnet is a pizza slice, very apt as we know that our fridge is going to have at least 2 pizzas within it. We'll start with the unbranded items again. We have something to go in the fridge door, this bottle of fruit juice. There are even tiny bits of fruit at the top of the bottle. It almost looks like there is liquid within. For pack 2 we have a pack of 2 aubergines, or eggplants as they're called here. It's good that the cardboard sleeve can be slid across to see them better. If I were to get a duplicate, I'd probably remove them from the sealed packaging, much like the lobster. Bag 3 we have this cute bag of broccoli florets. These are really effective and quite a large item. I think they'd actually look better to remain in the packet. Now on to more branded goods. In bag 1 we have our first duplicate, another IHOP pancake container. Bag 2 already feels a little familiar. Damn, yet another Pizza Hut pizza. Another margarita. Well, I definitely have to customise one of them. Bag 3 is yet another Pizza Hut item, but at least it doesn't look to be an actual pizza. We have some spicy chicken wings inside this one, a great side to add to the pizza feast that my fridge is already going to have. You can even remove them from the box, although they stay in one clump. So there we have everything from these 2 capsules. Not a bad haul overall. Let us tick off what we have from the catalogue and see what some of the other items available will be, as well as seeing the rarity of what we do have. Here are the results. Time to put everything away in the fridge, not forgetting to stick our magnets on first. The soda and jelly came with the fridge already, as did the watermelon magnets. Thank you so much for watching this mini brands unboxing with me. Join me again for more cooking, crafts and unboxing in the future. See you next time.